Hello everyone, I am the chef boy Zaynie, and today we will be making potato wedges with harissa. Let us get started. Mwah. The first thing that you're going to need is some potatoes. These particular potatoes are from Trader Joe's. They are a multi-pack of different kinds of potatoes. The next thing that you're going to need is some harissa. This is another Trader Joe's product. It's the traditional Tunisian harissa. The next thing that you're going to need is some olive oil. Again, this is a Trader Joe's product. Shout out to my roommate who A, got me to start shopping at Trader Joe's, and B, introduced me to this recipe. The next thing that you're going to need is some salt. And the final thing that you're going to need is black pepper. And let's not forget to leave time to warm the oven up. We will put it on 400 degrees. Next thing you're gonna wanna do is select how many potatoes that you would like. The next thing you wanna do is chop these babies into wedges. Take these babies, put them in a bowl. Then you wanna take your harissa, scoop out about half a tablespoon. Then you wanna get about a half teaspoon of oil and mix it around. And now that it's all mixed up, let's put it in the tray. Spread it around. Throw on some salt. Sprinkle some pepper. Now we pop that baby into the oven. It's been about 40 minutes since I put the potatoes in, so let's take them out. These look delicious. And now that they're plated,